Completing the square, again, they totally changed the subject. It's going to get you in when we have to graph a circle. But what they want you to do is make this expression a perfect square so that when you factor it, it factors into the same thing twice. How you do that is you're going to take half the middle number and then you're going to square whatever you get. So my middle number on this one is negative 12. If I take half of negative 12, I get?
Half 12?
I get negative 6, right?
Oh, yeah.
Then I'm going to square that number. Negative 6 times negative 6 is? Negative 6 times negative 6 is?
36.
36, exactly. 36 is the number in there that would make that a perfect square. What that means is if I have x squared minus 12x plus 36, that if I was going to factor it, I would do x and x. Since the end is positive, both the signs are the same as the middle, negative and a negative. Factors of 36 that add up to 12, 6, and 6. So I get x minus 6 squared. It makes it a perfect square. Not that you have to do this part yet. When we do circles, you'll do that part. But right now, they just want to see if you can figure out what that end number should be. So on number 20, I want to find out what that end number should be. We're going to do half of our middle number. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Should probably show my work so you know what I did. Right? Half of 10 is 5 and 5 squared is 25. So completing the square, fill in the blank to make it a perfect square is what it says there. And the last one on this page. Tell me what you're going to do. What should we do to solve that?
So half of negative 2 is negative 1 equals 1 square. What, negative 1 squared?
Which is?
Negative 1.
Not negative 1? Because
Oh,
a negative times a negative is a
Positive.
positive. You have to use your parentheses if you're using your calculator.
Oh, okay. Parentheses.
And so positive 1 is that number that goes in that box. All right, we'll take about a 20-minute break. So about 10 after 10, we'll do the next page.